are in full mood of playing, loving, kissing each other, smelling each other. After having a breakfast, now they are relaxing, they are playing, they are hitting with each other with their hands. Black little kitten is lying under the chair while the kitten is coming up